Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a train. I start from the bottom with the wheels. It will have 3 wheels. Then I draw the front.
The wheels on the bus.
I draw the middle part.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
And the part where the driver is sitting.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
I draw the window like this. Then I draw the rest of the train. With some steam in the air.
Yeah!
Wow!
The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town.
Let's start coloring. Red. Orange.
Bus.
Yellow.
Yeah!
Green. Blue. Purple.
People on the bus go up and down, up
Pink.
and down, up and down. The people on the bus go
Fuchsia.
up and down,
Red.
all through the town.
Orange. Yellow. Light green. Green. Light blue. Blue. Purple. Pink. Fuchsia. Red. Gray. Yellow. Black. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.